Alright, it's raining really, really hard, and I'm under my umbrella, and I'm walking to the flood control channel, and it's, as you can see, I don't know if you can really see it, but it's rushing really fast. And it's probably, right now, it's about 3 feet deep, and it's never full at all. There's hardly any water in it, ever. It's never this deep, ever. Like, so, it's really, really deep, and you can see that. I don't know if you can. It's huge, and every once in a while a wave will come in. Yeah, it's really, really deep. Just because it's just raining a lot. It's all cloudy. It's just never like this big puddles on the ground. Yeah, but it's just rushing. Waves come. It's sort of cool.